The national spotlight on Marquette University as it prepares to argue a big case before the Wisconsin Supreme Court. This comes after a professor was suspended for a controversial blog post nearly 4 years ago. Rebecca Clough live at Marquette with why this case is being watched closely.
Yeah, Charles, the question before the courts tomorrow is academic freedom versus private employers' rights, particularly a private university's rights like Marquette's.
The Wisconsin Supreme Court will go into session to hear the case of McAdams versus Marquette. Professor John McAdams wrote a blog in 2014 criticizing a graduate student. He called her out by name, putting out her contact information for shutting down a discussion in class against gay marriage.
But I think a conservative who kept his head down and didn't say anything much would be just fine, would be ignored. But I didn't keep my head down when I saw things that looked to me to be out of bounds.
It is a case plucked by the justices, skipping over the appeals court.
I think they thought it was an interesting case. There is an important conversation nationally about how conservatives are treated on college campuses, but this case has nothing to do with that.
Marquette University's attorney says this is a case about a private business exercising its employer rights.
It has a right to protect the safety of its students. It has the right to make sure that its professors act professionally. And those are the rights that are being enforced here.
But conservatives are arguing universities are a place where liberals are protected and not the opposing viewpoint. McAdams says he's going back to work.
Although I have complete contempt for the people running Marquette, the students are a different matter.
Now, oral arguments will begin tomorrow in Madison, though a decision is not likely to come until the summer. Reporting live on Marquette campus, Rebecca Clough, today's TMJ4.
All right, Rebecca, thanks.